Meghalaya State Public Service Delivery Commission ha khatsan tarik unai tung arhaja arpuar kala pelaj Paidbah ke web portal jongka ha jalang kabla long ha yojana bhavan. Lingba kani portal ke Sorkar kala bantrai Kham Chanai banai ke Jingshakri ke Kham Bha Sha ki Paidbah.
So definitely this is one of the more advanced websites, and I must thank NIC and the entire team for having done that. I think what is the way forward, as was mentioned, is to ensure that the additional 188 services, which would bring it to 275 total, should be done at the earliest. That would really be the way forward, and to ensure that these entire services, all the departments must ensure that these timelines are followed at the block level, at the DC level, at the departmental level, so that there is no delay. Because you could see in the websites, this is basically only a kind of a point platform through which they will finally connect to the to the concerned departments. So when they click on that particular service, it is diverted or directed to the departmental or the specific deputy commissioner's office, and therefore these kind of things, the departments obviously will have to ensure that they also do their part well, and that's really where the challenge also will lie. And I know that it's not as simple in the transformation stage, because there will be a lot of skilling to be done, capacity building is to be done at the grassroots level. So yes, there could be challenges, but if the departments, and especially the districts, they all work together, then we will be able to take this forward in the right direction, and be able to provide seamless and efficient services to the people, and provided in the stipulated time as per the Act of the Meghalaya Right to Public Service Act that we have.